Hi there! In this quick video, we're taking you on a casual tour of the Ruby neighborhood and giving you a peek inside the model homes now available from Lennar right here in Valencia, California. This video is brought to you by your local real estate team, Matt Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Ruby is located on the northwest corner of Middleton Street and Magic Mountain Parkway, just down the street from Confluence Park. If you've seen our earlier video, you'll notice the Opal neighborhood is right next door. Once both subdivisions are finished, they'll flow together and feel like one larger neighborhood. As of September 2025, the model homes are open and there's still quite a bit of construction happening throughout the neighborhood. Once complete, Ruby will include about 67 two-story paired homes. Each one shares a side wall with just one neighbor, no one above or below. Home sizes range from around 1,975 to 2,546 square feet, with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a 2-car garage. While these homes don't come with traditional yards, most do have a front porch and a patio. Now that the models are open, we were able to step inside. Downstairs, you'll find the main living space, dining area, and a beautiful modern kitchen, plus a half bath and in some layouts a first floor den. Upstairs, the bedrooms are well designed, the primary suite looks great, and you'll also find the laundry room, additional bathrooms, and either a loft or bonus space, depending on the plan. Of course, one of the highlights of living in Ruby is access to Confluence Park, just a few blocks away. It's packed with amenities such as a large clubhouse, multiple swimming pools, a hot tub, shaded lounges, and more. Plus, you'll be close to parks, miles of trails, and even a community garden. As with other neighborhoods in this area, there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Mello Roos. If you'd like to see current listings or learn more about schools and local conveniences, just click the link in the description to head over to our website at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. You'll also find guides and videos to nearly every community in Santa Clarita. And one last thing, if you're thinking about buying a home here or in any new community, be sure to contact us before visiting or signing up with the builder. That way, we can represent you and help protect your best interests every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and as always, when you work with us, there's absolutely no sales pressure, ever. See you in the next one. Bye now.